Nature is important for many reasons. First, it's a source of beauty and inspiration. We can find peace and tranquility in nature. Second, nature is essential for our health and well-being. Spending time in nature can reduce stress and improve our mood. Third, nature is home to many different kinds of plants and animals. We need to protect nature so that these creators can continue to thrive. There are many things we can do to protect nature. We can reduce carbon footprint by burning less, using less energy and recycling. We can also support organizations that are working to protect the environment. It's important to appreciate the beauty of nature. We can do this by spending time outdoors, taking photos of nature, and learning about different plants and animals. So let's remember